Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this writing lesson we will focus on the ba family. The ba family. And the ba family, the letter ba family, consists of 5 letters. The ba, the ta, the thaa, the noon, the ya. So ba, ta, tha, noon, ya. 5 letters of the ba family. And why we say they are a family? Because they have more or less very similar shape and similar form, especially in the connected form. Ba. It's written like this. So, it's like a plate and it has a dot below it. Ba. And this is a separate form, or the letter form. We can see the 3 connected forms as follows. If the ba comes at the starting position or at the beginning of the word, it would be written like this. Like this. For example, if we are writing bint. Bint means girl. Girl. Bint in Arabic. So bint, the ba at the beginning. So in noon here, and then ta. So here the ba at the beginning, so bint. Let us see the middle position. It's like this. It's very similar to the starting position or the beginning, the position at the beginning, but we get this from the letter that is before it, and we can connect it also with another letter like thaa, for example, and so on afterwards. So here it is like this. This is the middle form. So this is beginning here, and this is middle. At the end it will be like this. So it's very similar to the letter without any connection, but you connect it from before the letter, and then the letter goes until it ends the same way like here. So here, for example, yabni, for example, yabni. Yabni is to build. To build. Bint here is girl. And here, if we say qalb, heart, heart, it will be like this. Qalb. Can you see? This is a ba. This is a ba here, and this is a ba here. Concentrate with me well in this, because all the letters within this family, they will have the same pattern. Exactly the same pattern. The thaa, for example, it will be like this. The thaa. And if we have at the beginning and the middle and the end, it will be like this. Thaa here, and then thaa here. So exactly the same at the ba. The only difference is that the thaa has 2 dots instead of, and 2 dots above it instead of 1 dot below this plate. This is the thaa. For example, tal, it's like hill. Ben, for example, yatamanna. wish or hope. يتمنى, the ta is like this, and بيت, house, is like this. So you can see here how the ta is written. For the thaa and the noon, they are exactly the same, and to save your time, they are just as we discussed. The thaa here in the separate form, and if we have at the beginning, at the middle, and also at the end, you can have the same way, the starting position, the middle position, and the end position the same way. For the noon, it has the similar position. The noon is like this in the separate form, and if you start, the noon is like this with one dot, and the noon is like this at the middle, and at the end it is like this. And for the noon, it's more or less like a deep plate or a dish, a deep plate. Finally, we have the letter ya. Ya, as I told you, more or less the same. This is a separate form, and this is the ya at the beginning, the ya at the middle, and the ya at the end of the word. So that was a quick overview about the ba family and how it is written. As I told you, it's very simple, and if you know how to write the ba, you can write the ta, the thaa, the noon, and the ya the same way. It's very straightforward, and it's very easy. If you still have any question, just drop it to me in the comment section, and follow up with this channel, as we will make some videos to cover the other families, and also writing the phrases so that you can completely write the Arabic language without any difficulty. Thanks a lot for you watching, and don't forget to like and to subscribe, and thanks a lot, and see you in future videos.